This is my jungle parang, and this is really the machete that I use in the jungle. It was designed by a jungle tribesman, and this is really the modern version of it. Heavy duty, heavy blade, very good grippy handle, but razor sharp and can use for brush cutting and also use as an axe. And this is something that I'll always take with me when I'm in the jungle. Invaluable tool.
This is the Grylls Compact Firestarter. Stash this tool in a pocket or attach it to a keychain or backpack for quick access. The simple two-piece design makes it easy to use, even if you're working in the cold or wearing gloves. It's made from anodized aluminum and textured rubber for strength and grip. With a water-resistant design, it even works in the rain. Bear's Priorities of Survival Pocket Guide will show you how to do it, and this tool will help you get it done. This is the Grylls Compact Firestarter.
This is the Grylls Survival Hatchet from Gerber. It comes with a durable nylon sheath that features an easy carry loop and belt loop. Ideal for building a shelter or starting a fire in an emergency situation, the full tank construction means it's extra tough, while the thin profile makes it easily packable. It includes a built-in pommel for hammering, and rubber overmold grip keeps it secure in your hands even when conditions are wet or muddy. The cutouts in the handle allow you the control needed for making tinder for starting a fire. This is the Grylls Survival Hatchet.
ZipStitch, surgical quality design. Trusted by top hospitals for years, zip wound closure technology is now available without a prescription. ZipStitch is secured on both sides of your wound with two 1.5-inch strips of a unique hydrocolloid pressure-sensitive adhesive, engineered to last for up to 7 days when placed on clean and dry skin. 4 zip ties made of medical-grade polymer material connect the two adhesives, providing micro-adjustable wound closing capability. These ties allow you to securely close wounds without needles and stitches. ZipStitch's zip ties are very easy to handle and control. Multiple zip ties allow you to adjust the pulling force across the length of the wound for just the right amount of closure at all parts of the wound. The micro-adjustable zip ties put you in complete control of the closure. This precision protects your wound from forces that contribute to increased scarring. Zip's uniform force distribution also reduces the compression on both sides of the wound to help maintain healthy blood flow, critical to healing and scar minimization. ZipStitch acts as a scaffold or cage around the wound, isolating and protecting the wound from movement that can pull on the wound and disrupt healing. Zip technology is 8 times stronger than stitches. ZipStitch is a great new option for your first aid kit. A major upgrade versus butterfly and strip closures that are basically just strips of tape. A non-invasive solution you can use anywhere when you can't get to an ER for stitches. So, if you can't stitch it, zip it.
Night Runner LED shoe lights are a lightweight, unobstructive lighting accessory for walkers, runners, and cyclists. The lightweight design, water-resistant casing, and secure low-profile mounting system allow for hassle-free use in any conditions. Shoe lights offer frontward visibility to forecast terrain up to 30 meters, and side and rear-facing lights to provide visibility to other runners and motorists. The compact lithium-ion rechargeable batteries can provide up to 8 hours of light on a single charge and offer easy and convenient USB charging. Night Runner LED shoe lights. See more, run more.
The Sharpal 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool is the must-have item for your outdoor lifestyle. It features 2 V-notch sharpening slots, a tapered diamond rod for serrated edges and gut hooks with a special groove for fish hooks, a Firestarter, and a high-pitched emergency whistle. First, let's look at the #1 tungsten carbide sharpener. The tungsten carbide sharpener is for coarse sharpening and quick edge setting to help restore your double-beveled straight edge blade in several strokes. The arrow shows the proper direction for pulling the blade through. Make sure that the sharpener is on a flat surface and that the blade is inserted fully and vertically into the sharpening slot at a 90-degree angle to the sharpener, and that the cutting edge line is parallel to the flat surface. Then pull the full length of the blade through from hill to tip. The tungsten carbide material and the optimum preset sharpening angle is fast and effective. Then switch over to the #2 ceramic sharpener for fine honing. This will polish the blade to a finished edge in several strokes. The Sharpal 6-in-1 also features a tapered diamond rod. This is perfect for sharpening serrations and gut hooks. Simply slide the rod back and forth several times on the area you wish to sharpen using medium and firm pressure. An added feature on this rod is the special groove engineered for sharpening fish hooks. Another impressive feature is the integrated Firestarter. When your matches are wet or your lighter runs out of gas, this can be a lifesaver. Just remove the rod and pull it quickly and firmly across the tungsten carbide blades. This will give you the spark you need to ignite your tinder and start your fire. Finally, the 6-in-1 includes a built-in emergency whistle. This is perfect for long-distance communication in the wilderness, whether it's your hiking party, your hunting dog, or even a rescue team. It emits a high-pitched blast that can be heard from very far away. And the reflective band on the side can be used as an emergency signal mirror. The Sharpal 6-in-1 knife sharpener and survival tool.
Sharpal, giving you the edge.